Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to hide your Telegram phone number so that no one can see your phone number in Telegram. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, open Telegram application. Then tap on three lines on the upper left corner. Tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, then scroll down a little bit and tap on privacy and security, and here tap on the second option, phone number option, and here is already my contact selected. Now my contacts can see my phone number, so tap on nobody. Now no one can see my phone number, and then tap on OK on the upper right corner. My phone number has been hidden from all the users on Telegram. I hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.